guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I thought of making like video on like jewelry thing because I've never done really like a jewelry haul, and also I know a bunch of people who shop jewelry from Shein, like used to shop jewelry from Shein and now it's not available. So I thought of making a video on like the Shein alternatives, like jewelry alternatives. So that is what I'm doing today. I never liked Shein jewelry. They were trendy, they were cheap, but the quality wasn't great. It was so bad. I used to hate their jewelry. Like I own some pieces and they've already like broken down, so they're not at all good quality. I really wanted to show you all some great alternatives which are really reasonable and have trendy stuff both in Western and Indian jewelries. So I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. First brand is Ever Stylish. So most of you would have come across this brand in your Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and that's when I came across this brand. So this brand had a bunch of silver jewelry like bohemian jewelry and also Western jewelry, which are a pretty great alternative to Shein. I saw some exact same pieces like this marble earring. I'm going to insert a picture. I even ordered this earring. So they're like just the same thing from Shein and actually in a cheaper rate. Like it's just 410 rupees, which is very cheap for a good earring. They have a bunch of variety in earrings. They are very much good for earrings, but I didn't really find a variety of like necklaces and pendants and bracelets. They were not that much. Most of them were out of stock, but yeah, their earrings were really good. Like they had a variety of earrings, like some chunky earrings which were so good, and they do take a lot of time for delivery. Like my stuff came after like 13 days, so that's when I'm filming this haul. So yeah, so you have to wait for the haul. First I'm going to tell you all the brands and then I'm going to show you the haul. So number 2 is Jewels Galaxy. So this brand is available in Ajio, in Myntra. They have their own site and they're also available on Amazon as well. So they have a bunch of jewelry, like their pendants, their rings, their bracelets, their earrings. Everything is very trendy. Like this earring, the pearl one, I got this from Nykaa, and I got this and I have shown this in my previous Nykaa haul. So I really wanted the pearl earrings. I wasn't able to find these sort of earrings anywhere else than Shein, and I can't order from Shein, so I ordered from there. So Jewels Galaxy has amazing trendy stuff. Like when I insert some pictures, you can see in the thumbnail, they have amazing hoop earrings, trending earrings, amazing pendants, amazing bracelets. They just like, and also they're very reasonable. So I'm gonna insert a picture of this pendant with a little heart here. It's so cute and it's very reasonable as well. So I just feel Jewels Galaxy is great quality. I guess these earrings are of a very great quality. I guess it's one of the best alternative and it's very cheap as well. So number 3 we have Just Peachy. So they have also very trendy stuff like the hoop earrings. Earrings are very elegant, they're very classy and chic, they're very nice quality. That's what I assumed from, and I saw that on Ajio and Myntra. They have some trendy stuff like pearl earrings as well, and some hoops, classic hoop earrings with some geometrical things and asymmetrical things. So Just Peachy is also amazing. I love their collection, and I'm saying that they are expensive than Ever Stylish and Jewels Galaxy, but they have a good quality and they have great stuff and great collection. So number 4 is Odd Giraffe. So I came across this site when I was seeing a jewelry haul video, and I really wanted to check the site out, so I did. So they had amazing jewelries. Like they had like up-to-date jewelries, like their earrings. I'm a lover for earrings, I'm a sucker for it, so I only see earrings. Like amazing pearl earrings. Again, like I really don't find pearl earrings anywhere, but they had some pearl earrings, but they were like for 400 or something, or one like a pair earring. But the quality would be great, and I have seen many people reviewing it. It's very great, and they have such chic pieces, such cute pieces. They are very nice. You could try that out as well. Next I'm going to tell you some Indian jewelry like brands. Firstly I'm going to tell you about Zaveri Pearls. So I came across this brand on Ajio. So it had such amazing stuff. I'm not even like joking. It was such good pieces and for reasonable rate. I'm going to show you in the haul. I'm just like gone crazy. They had such amazing jewelries for marriages, for party, for everything. Like I love their collection for such a great price. So Zaveri Pearl is one of them. I'm going to insert some pictures of the jewelry. I love the jewelry, the silver jewelry, the earrings. The collection overall is very great. so you should check them out. So next up I also have Voila for Indian jewelry. So Voila is available, they have their own site, they're available on Ajio, they're available on Nykaa Fashion as well. I used to shop from them offline, but now they're also online, so they had amazing deals and offers. And also one thing, it's like when you shop online you have amazing offers, you get discount on that, so that's good. Voila, most of my jewelries are from Voila and they're of great quality. They never broke and they are of such good quality, and they are very boho and very sleek looking. I just love Voila collection, and they are very reasonable as well, so you should definitely check that out. Let's start with the haul video. So firstly I'm gonna show you this piece which I showed like lastly in my Nykaa haul. So these earrings are from Jewels Galaxy and they were for like 450 on discount. So I just wore one of these earrings today and wanted to give a mini review. Like, these are really great quality, I'm not even lying, they're really nice. Just love these earrings, they're really nice and they look cute and they are trendy. And I got this like a set of these earrings, like this one, pearl one, the heart one, these studded earrings and these pearl earrings. So I guess I'm set. Like, these are a bunch of things I could wear with anything, with Indian, with normal clothes, with party wear. I could wear this with anything. I really like this. So Jewels Galaxy is a thumbs up for me. Next up from Ever Stylish, I have a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna start with the first item. These are like these earrings I was talking about. So these are the marble-ish theme earrings, and these are like super cute, and you could even like pair it up with anything, and they were not expensive, and they are just like, you know, like Shein dupes and Shein alternatives, one of the best. And that is why I love Ever Stylish, because they have such good pieces for such reasonable rates. So this is amazing. Like, I love this earring. Next up I have some chunky earrings, like silver jewelry, because I love silver jewelry. It looks so good on Indian skin tone. It's like it's made for them, like made for Indian skin tones. So firstly is this earring, this piece of earring, if you could see. So I'm not gonna try it on, or maybe if I did, I'm gonna insert a video here if I did. But these earrings are so pretty, like they're amazing, and they were not even expensive. They were around like 200 or so. So for earrings, these are really nice and they have like great quality, so I love this earring. Next up I have somewhat like this, like the same detailing. It's like a bit colorful, and it's like you know, like you have to put the earring, it's not the top one. So that's what I love. I don't really like the top earrings, I just love these ones, you know. So this is the earring that I got. We have these cute earrings, like these are very cute and very dainty. Like, they would look so good when you wear a basic kurta and kurti with some denims or with some pants, and with these small earrings. These are very pretty and I love them. They are so cute, and they were also not that expensive, for around like 200 rupees. So these are very good quality for that. Next up I have this is like, it has a peacock over here. So if you could see, I really like these earrings. I thought it's gonna be a bit bigger in the photo, in the app it was looking a bit bigger, but it's very small. But still, I like the quality. It's silver jewelry, and who doesn't like silver jewelry? Everyone loves it. So this is very nice for Indian wear. Lastly, I have this giant earring. I'm going to show you this. This is the most expensive one from Ever Stylish. It's for around like 300 or so, which is also not that expensive. Here are the earrings. If you could see, they're like so pretty and so huge. I just love these earrings. It's super big and they're so pretty. They were available like in a whole blue color and a whole orange color, but I wanted a mix of colors, so I got this, and I love the quality as well. But it's really not that heavy. It looks very big, but it's not really that heavy, but it's so pretty. I just love this earring. Next up I have earrings from Zaveri Pearls. So this is like a set of 4 earrings. They were for around 200, and they are again silver earrings. So like, I just love this lotus one and these amazing earrings. So these are really good for gifting purposes. You can pair that up with some Indo-Western stuff, some Indian stuff, some Western stuff. So it's really nice. And a set of 4 was for 200, so it's very reasonable and the quality is amazing. They have packed it so nicely, like with thermocol thing and over this for protection. So that's really great. And these are amazing. They are really pretty. Next up from Zaveri Pearls, I have this Chand Bali. My mom was wanting a Chand Bali, so I got this for her. I just find the detailing at the bottom very cute, and They were for around like 300 to 400, I guess, around that. I'm gonna mention that in the link in the description box, or I'm gonna insert a price here. They were around 300 to 400, around that range. These are also from Zaveri Pearl. They're like so cute. I love these earrings. They would go so nicely with some Indian stuff. Like, they're really nice, and the detailing over here is like very, you know, like it's very pretty and very trending. Next up is my favorite in the whole video. Like, these earrings are so pretty. These are also from Zaveri Pearls. They were around like around 480. So these are so pretty earrings. Like, look at them. The color and the detailing is very nice. I just love these earrings, and I just don't know, I just, when I saw this, I just fell in love with these earrings. These are really pretty. Like, the embroidery thing, the flower thing, and everything, it's gonna look amazing. I love these earrings. Next up, I have some stuff from Voila. So this time I ordered these earrings. These are like very pretty. I saw them, and they were like looking a little bigger on the side, but like they are really small. I just don't know why, but still they are very reasonable. Like the MRP is 1149, which is pretty damn expensive, but I got it for around like 570 or so. So like, these earrings are really pretty, and obviously Voila has great quality, so I think you should invest in jewelries from Voila, and they are really great in Indian like jewelries. So I got these earrings. It's like a mixture of stuff. It's very boho and very Indo-Western sort of thing. So I hope that you all will like this video, because I love filming this video, because I always enjoy filming haul videos, and it's like my first jewelry haul, so I love filming it. And also do comment down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.